New plan. We got a new plan going on here. All right, so check this out. All right, so the web stuff isn't going to start until January now, which means while learning, man, I'm going to do some practice before building, but also while learning, I'm going to build Cali. All right. Now, here's the thing. This is all happening in December, November this month, right? I'm gonna practice my iOS. I'm gonna get back into mastering Swift UI, right? This book right here, because this book is gonna come in handy for you know me learn how to build beautiful, nice user interfaces, just good enough to update the new UI uh, for Mo Foods, right? Right. What I got right here, all right? And then here's the thing: December. It says learning, but it's actually where I'm debating if I'm going to rebuild Mo Foods from scratch. At first, I was like, dude, do I want to abandon this project? And I can't because people have already told me they like it, they want it. It's validated, and I need this app for myself. One thing that's kind of frustrating though is I can't get this freaking app to run. It's got like some bugs and well, not a bug. It has a bug that popped up, and I think it happened when I updated to Xcode 16 and the iPhone 16 simulator or whatever. I don't know what's going on, but the tab stopped working, and so I gotta figure out what the hell is going on with that. Yeah, while that's loading up, so that's the new plan for 2024 to close out 2024. It's learning iOS. I did this last year, which is funny. I did this in December, and in on to January, and in February is when I started building apps, and in June is when I started shipping them out. I started shipping them out like crazy, like every Monday, which is what's going to happen in the next summer, the summer coming up in 2025. So I'm going to be learning iOS and building other apps, and then December probably close out this week, but I'm going to be building Mo Foods, I think from scratch, reusing the existing code I already have here, um, and knowing what I know, knowing how I want to structure this thing, it's gonna work pretty well. And also, watch, you see these tabs? They don't work no more. I don't know what the hell is going on. This goes back to pins. I'm not sure what's going on there. But now that I have designs, it's like okay, I think I could do this on my own. And I'm gonna break these videos into smaller videos like this, like I have different topics I want to talk about. But this is about closing out 2024 and getting to where I need to be. So it's learning, building, and all of these like this month and next month is going to be all iOS development and getting back on track. So learning, building a few apps like Mo Gains. It's a fitness app I really need. I used AI tool for this called Galileo, and it's not that good, but it's enough to give me an idea of where I want to go with these designs. And also, Dribble has some cool stuff for like the Watch OS. I'm gonna make a separate video called UI UX and how I'm plan on approaching that because I can design. Like developers hire the designers because they're not. Some of them aren't good with design or want to save time with design, but I'm a pretty good designer, self-taught designer. So yeah, I don't think I need to spend too much money on designers. I already know a few. Like a woman, Veronica, most likely is going to do the one for Cali, and then Sam is also doing one for Mo Foods. And I actually already got designs from another designer, which I'm going to borrow a few from. But again, that will be in a separate video. But it's just a quick video of how I plan on closing out MoStudios, the 2024 year that this kind of started. What products I'm going to be launching or how I'm planning on launching it. So learning and building, and then I'm debating if I want to build this app from scratch or if I can figure out what the hell's going on here. I'm kind of leaning towards building it from scratch, and then or thinking about going with that freelancer again because, bro, these studios and developers, I understand their pricing, but it's over my budget. Like I haven't spent money on an app to be built from scratch since 2016, 2017. I was building Verse, and some of the developers are asking for like 1,500 plus, and no way. I gotta pay my car off. So yeah, if anything, I might just work with this one developer and have him work on specific features while I work on the other ones, right? Because I'm not paying like 18 whatever hundred to have the app built when I'm fully capable of building this thing myself, especially after finding some this AI tool, which I'm gonna talk about in the next video. But yeah, y'all, that's how I'm closing out 2024 for MoStudios. Um, yeah, I'm also gonna make this a clickbait title. Like, am I gonna abandon my app idea? Maybe I'll come up with that title for something else. But this video I'm gonna title closing out 2024. All right. So the plan is to study, ship out, build apps in a weekend, more books, more gains, more friends. I got a few last Mo series app, and they're all gonna have revenue cap in them. So they're gonna be in-app purchases, but they won't. These are like little, small projects to like use the skills that I learned from those projects to apply to Mo Foods and potentially other app ideas that are more larger scale. So that's what that's gonna be. And then yeah, let's we'll debate what's gonna do with this one. All right, the video getting too long. Let's go on to the next one.